Hi, my name is Diego and I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious cake in the microwave. The ingredients that we need are
1/4 cup of flour,
1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder,
2/3 cup of sugar,
1/3
cup of milk,
1/4 teaspoon of salt,
1/4 cup of butter, 1 egg,
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
This recipe is perfect if you only have a microwave, and it's really easy to do. First of all, we need to mix the flour and the salt, and don't forget to put the baking powder, just like this. We need to mix very well. After this, we need to mix the butter with the sugar, and we are going to help us with a mixer. When the mix looks like this, we are going to add the egg and beat it everything just like that. We are going to mix the flour with the baking powder and the butter with the sugar and the egg. When the mixture is homogeneous, we are going to add the milk and the teaspoon of vanilla. To finish this delicious cake, we are going to put the mix in a refractory and bake it in the microwave for 5 minutes. If you see that the mixture stays watery, you have to bake it for longer. So this is the final product, and now we can enjoy eating this delicious and very easy cake. Thanks for watching me.